The episode spotlights a Foley artist who transforms everyday noises into film-worthy soundscapes, turning clinks, footsteps, and whispers into emotion. They explain how curiosity, patience, and a toolkit of unexpected props shape immersive scenes for directors and editors alike. In a TED Talk moment, they reveal the discipline of listening deeply, embracing trial and collaboration with composers to craft texture and mood. A memorable breakthrough came when a last-minute rain sequence forced creativity, proving that obstacles can become signature techniques. Viewers are encouraged to study sound carefully, experiment boldly, and value every tiny texture that makes a story feel alive.